Now, as COVID cases continue to rise, there's no dearth of COVIDiots adding to India's big COVID misery here. At Bulandshahr Mahotsav event, COVID protocols were clearly seen flouted. On your screens are visuals of huge crowd gatherings, maintaining absolutely no social distancing. Almost every person can be seen wearing no mask. The event has been going on since 12th of March, adding into India's COVID surge as well. The super spreaders like these events are precisely one of the main reasons of the second COVID wave that's now gripping the country. Repeated attempts by the government seeking public cooperation goes for a toss. When such events take place, people clearly seen flouting norms, being irresponsible to ensure safety. We're looking at large gatherings like this. Abhishek Mishra joining us, more details on that. Abhishek, here we're looking at a large gathering at this Mahotsav. What are authorities doing? We understand that people must show responsibility, but clearly we're not looking at some responsible people out there. They're just all out without masks, getting into gatherings. There's no protocols being followed at all. So how does the government plan to implement it?
Well, certainly, Navila, the pictures which are coming from Bulandshahr are quite shocking. At the same time, when we have seen a rapid increase in the number of cases, specifically in Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about the last 24 hours, 496 cases have come, and if the total numbers have gone up to 3,036, and it is increasing every day. At least 500 cases are coming. This clearly shows the second wave, which is currently going on, not only in Uttar Pradesh, but the other states which are highly affected by it. But on the other hand, public, festivals like this, where there is a full violation of the social norms, nothing is being made ensure, whether it's social distancing or use of sanitization or making sure that the premises is secured. And this particular festival is going from 12th of March, and it will continue now. Some big singers are also going to perform at that event. So certainly is a big question, and it needs a lot of attention.
They are under the nose of the officials. Under the nose of the officials, they're getting their permissions. They're pulling off such large-scale events, and these are outdoor events. It's not like they're hiding inside somewhere. Clearly, we're not looking at that kind of implementation of the COVID protocols as well, which is why we're seeing loosely people flouting these norms. Thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.